Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it was 52 minutes, 1 unlock and 6 notifications received. If you want to, you can check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and you will see the dashboard with the specific screen time in particular days of the week. So you can basically compare them. Under it, you've got the list of apps and the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, Chrome, settings, camera, or any other app which will appear in your case. So simply tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with the with this specific app. What is more, if you decide that you spend too much time on the screen, you can set some ways to disconnect. So for example, the bedtime mode or the focus mode, where you can select distracting apps, set a schedule. You can choose particular days of a week, the start and the end time, and after turning it on, your device will hide the notifications, so you will be able to focus or work or whatever you want to do. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.